Hello, in today's lecture we will discuss about how to drop a column in Oracle database. So let's start by opening the SQL Plus by typing the username as system and typing the password. So let's start by typing the keyword drop table employees. So it's a simple statement for to drop a table in Oracle database. So press enter. So table dropped, hence the process is successful. So if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe. Focus Flicks and connect for more such interesting videos. Have a nice day. Take care.